how to change language on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you want to switch your Spotify language to English, Spanish, French, or any other language, we've got you covered. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Now first, open the Spotify app on your device, or you can even go to the Spotify web player. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Next, click on the profile icon located in the top right corner and click on Settings and Privacy. After that, you'll see Content and Display. Tap on it. And on the Display Preferences, you'll see App Language. After you tap on it and click on Continue, you will be prompted to your settings, and under Prefer Language, tap on it. And you can choose any language that you want to change your Spotify language to. For example, I want to change it to Nepali. I'll tap on it and then go back to Spotify. You can see that my Spotify app has changed its language to Nepali. And that's it. I've successfully changed the language on Spotify. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and we'll get back to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.